Dear student, today I will tell you a story in English and in your mother tongue. The story name is The Wild Boar and the Fox, Jangali Suar or Lomad. Now you listen story very carefully. After finishing the story, I will ask a question. You will give the answer in words. Now listen carefully. One day a wild boar was sharpening his tusk against the bark of a tree. He was doing it very carefully. There lived a fox in the same forest. He was always looking for a chance to make a fun of other animal in the forest. When he saw the wild boar, he decided to tease him. He began to walk around the tree, looking left and right and up and down. He also began to act as if he was really sacred. But the boar did not pay any attention to him. He kept right on with his work. At last the fox said with a grin, "Why are you doing that? I tried very hard, but I did not see any hidden enemy or danger." "True," replied the boar. "Just now there may not be any danger, but when it really comes, there won't be any time to sharpen my tusk. My weapons have to be really for use. If I am not ready, I will have to suffer." This story tells us that it is best to be prepared. Don't leave things to be done at the last minute. Now you listen in English. Now I will tell you in your mother tongue. Listen. एक दिन एक जंगली सुअर एक पेड़ की छाल से अपनी दांतों को रगड़कर उन्हें तेज कर रहा था। वह यह काम बड़े ध्यान से कर रहा था। उसी जंगल में एक लोमड़ रहता था। वह हमेशा जंगल के अन्य जानवरों का मजाक उड़ाने का अवसर ढूंढा करता था। जब उसने जंगली सुअर को देखा तो उसने उसे चिढ़ाने का निश्चय किया। उसने पेड़ के चारों ओर दाएं बाएं तथा ऊपर नीचे देखते हुए घूमना शुरू किया। उसने इस प्रकार अभिनय शुरू किया जैसे वह डर गया हो, लेकिन जंगली सुअर ने उस पर बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं दिया। उसने अपना काम व्यवस्थित रूप से जारी रखा। अंत में लोमड़ ने मुस्कुराकर कहा, "तुम ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो? मैंने बहुत कोशिश की, किंतु न तो मैंने कोई छुपा हुआ शत्रु देखा और न ही कोई खतरा।" "सच," सुअर ने जवाब दिया, "अभी कोई खतरा भले ही न हो, किंतु जब खतरा वास्तव में आ जाएगा तब मेरे पास मेरे दांतों को तेज करने का समय नहीं रहेगा। मेरे हथियार को तब उपयोग के लिए तैयार रहना है। यदि मैं तैयार नहीं हूँ तो मुझे नुकसान उठाना पड़ेगा।" कहानी से हमें यह सीख मिलती है कि हमेशा तैयार रहना ही सबसे अच्छा है। अंतिम समय में करने के लिए कोई काम बाकी मत रखो। नाउ यू लिसन द स्टोरी द वाइल्ड बोर एंड द फॉक्स इन इंग्लिश एंड इन योर मदर टंग. Now I will ask a question. You will give the answer in words. First question is, what was the boar doing? What was the boar doing? Answer is sharpening his tusk. Second question is, how was he doing it? Answer is carefully. Third one is, who lived in the same forest? Who lived in the same forest? Answer is a fox. Next, who was the wild boar? Who saw the wild boar? Who saw the wild boar? Answer is a fox. Next question, what did he decide to do? What did he decide to do? Answer is decided to tease him. Next question. Did the boar pay any attention to him? Did the boar pay any attention to him? No, he did not. Okay, thank you.